Hey guys, what is going on today? Today is Wednesday. Now I have to make an announcement real quick. I will be doing bike vlogs or any kind of vlogs today. Hey. So yeah. I'll be doing bike vlogs only on Wednesdays, so remember that. Okay. So that's all right, guys. So here we go. All right. Make sure that. All right, let's go. Go. I gotta go quick. All right, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I had to grab my bike. So I'm getting an onboard shot right here. Let's go. Oh, might be a bit bouncy, but that's okay because of my stupid road. Here we go. We're gonna go up the ramp. Slowly, though. Oh, okay. Alright, so yeah.
Zacharias there.
Yep.
I'll put him in the description.
There's Deshaun's like gaming right there.
Me.
Please do check him out. No, wait. Go in the description.
I'll teach you how to play.
Yes, he'll teach me. Alright, let's do it.
Alright, so yeah, let's get started.
Alright, let's go. Alright, guys, so let's go. Here we go. First jump. Think of it right there. Alright, here we go. Keep on going, bro.
Hey, all you flamers out there, all 12 of you, that should be your subscriber name. Subscriber names. Flamers. Flamer, you idiot? Huh? That can be flamer. Yeah, that's it. That's gay. So all you flamers out there,
No, it's not.
what does it should be then?
Old Zacharias is out there.
That's
Dude.
dumb, no.
Dude, do you
The
know
Zacharias,
what
not everyone's, not
is
everyone.
a flamer is another word for being gay.
Yes, it is. They're just retarded. All you flamers out there,
No, it's dude, it's my YouTube channel.
the Zachariases don't sound good because it's saying your name in it. That doesn't sound good.
Zacharias?
To say all you flames.
Alright, that's fine. All you
all
flames
you
out
flames
there?
out there,
Yeah.
I'm letting my tablet charge for now. So I will be making my video shortly after it charges
I
for a
have
little
no
bit.
idea what vlog this is.
Bike vlog. So I'll be back in a little bit, but I'm still gonna go off the ramp. So yeah, let's go.
Camera. Woo! Yeah, la 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 la. Step off the camera, bro. Hey, Flames. Flames out there, which is a nickname for my subscribers. All you Flames out there, you are the... I didn't know
Oh,
if
that
you
was trippy. No, that was bad.
So good, because I think I got in the way.
Did you even check the angle?
Yeah, I did.
Whoop and whoop. Hey, Mr. B. Holy crap, I messed up. Oh, you got a real good shot.
Okay.
Woo! Whoop! Woo! Oh, bad.
Oh, nope, it's being in the way. I don't want to get stung.
Hey, Mr. Big P. Oh, that's a huge freaking BB. Guys, there's a huge bee there. I don't know if you saw it.
Yeah, I know. That's why I didn't go on the ramp.
That's like a wasp or a yellow jacket. That thing is humongous. It had like a black back. That thing is huge.
Well, I think that's a black wasp.
Black wasp?
Yeah, I think that's actually a thing. Okay, guys. So for right now, I'm going to pause the video. I got to get this thing charged up, so yeah. Sorry. I'm not ending. I got to stop and just let it charge. Get an onboard shot. Hold on, onboard shot. Hold on, go off the ramp. Wait, I'm going to go on you. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you.
He's gonna let his iPod charge after this. Follow me, follow me.
Alright. Am I getting you?
Keep up with me.
No touch. Okay, guys, my iPod is now charged again. It's a lot later. Obviously, as you can see, the back rotor of his helicopter came off. See, this, right now, you can just see all the technology. That is pretty cool, that you can take this thing off.
Cap. This rotor doesn't fit. I had to go find the other one that fell out. So guys, this rotor, back rotor, does not fit, sadly. So I'm gonna have to go find
Recorder and recorder. Oh wait, yeah.
So I have to go find the old one that fell off, which will take ages. Yeah, BRB. It'll take ages for us, but only like not even a second for you guys. Yeah, BRB. Oh, I have to go find
Oh, I'm still recording. I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing? All right, guys. So, yeah, I'm gonna fix things up on his thing because you are missing something. So yeah, it's gonna take a long time for us, but not for you guys. All right, guys. So right now, I will be doing an interview of Deshaunze Gaming. Wait, where is it?
Interview.
Yeah, of his helicopter.
Oh, helicopter.
Yeah. Right now it's on the charger, so he won't be not using it. Anyway, I'll probably not be here for that. So I don't want to die. So yeah, there's all the wires right here. Move this.
Oh, it's jammed.
See, this is all the wires right
My
here.
gun's jammed.
So yeah, that's pretty cool. You got this back here. I don't know what that light is. Then he just found the rotor.
Finally.
Yeah. And this is all the compartments. See, this is where it's charging from. So you can follow the line. All the way to the helicopter. That's pretty stupid. He's not recording. I don't know why.
Check the angle real quick.
Yeah. Can I show?
No, I'd rather not.
Alright. This is his bike, maybe, that he'll use in some other bike vlogs.
Yep.
Yep. And can I take it off once?
It died.
Can I take it off once?
Take a look. Yeah, sure. I'll get you. I'll record you of it.
No. I just
I'll
want
record you.
to. Alright.
Going off right.
Make sure that it's facing this time.
Alright, almost
Or
ready.
if not, then we'll pause the video.
This is Deshaunze Gaming here, guys.
I don't like in the wheelie how you said, okay, subscribe to my channel. Anyway, this fool's going.
Oh, that's funny. Is he swimming? No. Go!
Sorry.
Go!
No.
You hit your own bike. He hit his own bike. All right.
Make sure you gotta look at the camera too.
I know, I am. It's good.
Make sure your face doesn't get in while you're looking at.
He's over there.
Make sure you're looking at me. Or we'll have to do it again. Yeah, bro.
Again, that was terrible.
Alright.
Do a little wheelie too. Hard? Is it hard, guys? I don't know. You can't do a wheelie on that bike.
Alright, here we go.
That's good. All right, bring her back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Here's my bike. All right, let's go back in the garage. Again. That's good. Oh. Oh my God, dude. He had his own. No, she don't care about that bike. She don't care. Hey, get in the background. Where are you?
Okay, taking a selfie.
Oh, there he is. Selfie.
Go to the ball.
All right. I'll set you down and you can get her. All right. The helicopter's charging right now.
Alright. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video, see how I did. I'm not gonna seriously end the video, I'm just gonna do a little clip, see, yeah, check it. See ya. Alright, so we got, right, so guys, I wanna show you this.
Look, I caught it.
Oh god. Keep watching the camera.
I caught it. That's sick, though. I was just like, come here.
Alright, he's like, oh god. He comes and he catches it. Alright, sorry about all
Hold on
the
for a minute.
pauses. Hey, here you go. Yeah, I'm gonna do the vlog in a second.
Running around all day trying to get my decimals. Anybody that try to stop me, I suggest that they come to the White House.
Alright guys, let's get onboard shots. Yeah, I'm gonna do an onboard shot right now for YouTube. Bruh. Right, here we go. I'm gonna go off the ramp. It's over there. If only I had a GoPro. GoPro would make so much more sense. Oh, I went too fast there. I went too fast. Oh, wait, why is my camera at an angle? Is my camera at an angle? I don't know. Hold on, guys. I don't know if my camera's on. Right, guys. We're gonna get onboard shots actually this time. So yeah, let's go. All right. Obviously, I'm putting my feet down because I don't want to die. Oh, okay. Guys, I could fall off. I'm only doing this one-handed. If only I had a GoPro. If I had a GoPro, which I maybe won't.
I have one. I forgot it though.
Yeah, he'd maybe let me use it. All right, grip hard, grip hard.
I hit the back button.
Whoa. Yeah, I did that with no hands. No hands. All right, I'm going to hold on to my iPod as much as I... Oh, okay. What was that? Is that a rock? Ooh. I don't think you got that. All right, here we go. Here we go. I know we're not going as fast as we were in the bike vlogs. Oh.
Alright,
So if I just talked like a woman.
I'm done with bike vlog now. Let's do a different subject.
All right, guys. So we're gonna do something else for a vlog. So yeah. Actually, no, I'm gonna end it here with the bike vlog, or no, the mega bike vlog. So yeah, the mega bike vlog. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And if this is the first video you've ever seen by me, then please subscribe. And you, yeah, no, you will not. Dude, don't. I already said I don't want you to.
I want to shoot Zach with this gun.
Actually, guys, before we go, I'm gonna have a little fun with the Nerf War vlog. So yeah, let's go. So he's trying to shoot me. Where is he? There he is. He's trying to shoot me. Bang, bang, poo, 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 pew, 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 pew. Yep. Yeah. Oh, wait, what? Alright. So yeah, guys, that's actually gonna end the video here right now. So yeah, see you in the next video, guys, and peace out. Holy crap!
Dude, that was like super.
Oh. No! Oh! Whoa! Alright, see you guys. Peace out, guys. So yeah, see ya in the next video. Next Wednesday, I'll be doing another bike vlog. So yeah, see ya.